Welcome to the HSGT Roundup. I'm Pep Fernandez. The Big 8 girls volleyball season is in full swing, and we saw Santiago collide with King on Wednesday nights. Some would say the Wolves are the team to beat in the Big 8 this season. King won the first game, then in the second, that's where we pick it up. Tiana Barnett to Kaylee Greeley, put it down. The point for King. Then off the Shark serve, it's Barnett to Greeley again. You can't stop it! Hey, you never talk about a man's hat, even if it is a shark on your head. Then later in the serve, Chanel Hoffman at the net for Santiago, spikes it home for the Sharks. Nice point there for Santiago, but Barnett to Rachel Smith for the kill. She had a dozen kills in the game. King takes game 2, 25-21. To the third, the Sharks are back in the hunt. Dun-dun. Katie Cortez feeds Hoffman for the spike. Dun-dun. But it's Barnett to Jessica Chase. That's the kill for King. But the Sharks would not go away. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun. Kaylee Echevarria send it in, and Santiago takes game 3, 25-16. Now we move to the fourth. Barnett to Greeley again. King pulls away to win the fourth game, 25-14, as King is victorious, 3-1. How about some early action from Riverside Poly as the Bears were playing host to Centennial of Corona? Pretty much all Poly in this one. Salil Smith got the Bears rolling with an ace. And how about another ace there for Poly? Samantha Flores, she's going to check in with the kill for the Bears. Poly cruising in this one. Centennial's Lauren Metcalf doing her best to keep the Huskies in this game. The point falls in for Metcalf. But the Bears go on to win it in 3 straight, 25-16, 25-19, and 26-16, your final scores. Also from the land of the Big 8, it's Corona over North in 3 straight, 25-22, 25-15, and 25-18. Corona is 6-2 on the season, 1-0 in league play. In the Citrus Belt League, look out for Yucaipa. They are 9-0 on the season after taking care of Redlands in 3 straight, 25-18, 25-14, and 26-24. And from the Inland Valley League, it's La Sierra defeating Moreno Valley, 25-5, 25-7, 25-16. That is a sweep. La Sierra is 4-1, 2-0 in league play. And from Big 8 girls tennis, it's Corona defeating North 11-7, your final score. So Corona is 4-0 overall, and they improved to 3-0 in the Big 8. King is also undefeated in girls tennis, improving to 3-0 in the Big 8, defeating Santiago 10-8, your final score in girls tennis. For the Roundup, I'm Pep Fernandez.